everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So we are here at Lawrence Avenue and we are going to tour some luxury apartments and penthouse units for you guys today. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. So we are at 16 Lawrence Avenue in the Kingston 8 area, which is just off Mannings Hill Road, you guys, to view some lovely apartment units. We're going to look at the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units and also a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom penthouse suite. So let's start our tour right here in the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Now there are only 7 of this apartment style. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath on this complex. It's about like a medium-sized complex, you guys. And this 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit is 1,400 square feet and starts at 42 million Jamaican dollars. As you can see, this stunning kitchen is fitted with granite countertops. You have tons of storage space, tons of cabinet space. Oh my God, look at all these built-ins. And I love the two-tone cabinets. Just give such a great contrast, such a luxurious feeling. Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, breathtaking. So here again is the kitchen. You have this nice open concept kitchen, living, dining area, and just off the kitchen right here is where you will have your powder room, which is great for your guests. So this is your half bath area, really nice. And I like how the powder room does not give like a cheap feeling. It actually has this really nice cabinet and entire vanity setup. So that's really nice. I love how there was no shortcuts taken here. Excellent. So this is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So just off of that area is where you would have the bedrooms. So let's take a look inside the bedrooms. As you can see, you have lovely lighting above. You do have porcelain tiles, so smooth, so shiny, such a beautiful finish. And now the master bedroom will take you into the lovely master closet, which is really spacious, and this massive master bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So many things can be done with this closet. So much space for all your shoes, for all your bags. Really great space. And now the bathroom. Are you ready, guys? So as we head out of this primary suite area, stunning bedroom, we're going to go into the second bedroom in this unit, which is just as beautiful, just a little bit smaller, just a tad bit smaller, but still absolutely beautiful. As you can see, you have your walk-in closets. The units will have water heaters, AC units, so really comfortable living, really luxurious living. So that was the closet for this room, and then here you see you have your ensuite bathroom as well, which is really convenient. We love that. And I love the finishing in the shower. Really sleek glass enclosure finishing, really beautiful. I like again the material used for the countertops. Very beautiful, very beautiful, absolutely stunning. Now, if I didn't mention it earlier, you guys, I'd like to thank Cavendish International Realty for allowing me to do this tour with you guys. And they are the go-to persons who you'll reach out to about any details, any viewings for this apartment. All right. and I'll have all of their information. The realtor that you'll reach out to is Keisha Smith, and I'll put all our information on the screen, as you know I always do, and also in the description box. So let's head on back out to the living and dining area, and just off of that area you have your lovely balcony overlooking the parking lot and communities of St. Andrew. And guys, guess what? You have this lovely in-unit laundry right here, which is amazing. We love that. We love the convenience. We love the ease. So here you have your in-unit laundry, which has a single tub, and it has adequate space to fit your washing machine and your dryer. I also love the tile used out here. Great non-slip tiles. Really good for this type of area. So yeah, love it. Guys, do not forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me what you think about these units. So absolutely stunning. Let's go back here into the main living area. Really nice, just to get a last look, a last overview. And here you guys, you have your the phone, which will be used to like call, to open the gate, have various controls right there. So really smart as well. I'll show you guys further with this smart entry. Yes, so you would put in your code right there and it will take you inside of your apartment. So let's look at the penthouse now, which is absolutely gorgeous. You guys, are you ready? Let's look at it. So we are in the penthouse suite, you guys, and as you can see, stunning. Everything is just so beautiful. I love the recessed lights. I love how much light is coming in through the windows, through the balcony. You'll see that soon. And you guys, this penthouse suite actually has about 3 balconies. Beautiful. And again, a stunning kitchen with this beautiful island, lots of cabinets, stunning two-tone cabinetry. Absolutely gorgeous. Aren't you guys loving this right now? Tell me in the comments that you're loving this. Now just look at this kitchen, you guys. So stunning. Can't you see yourself here? Isn't this truly a dream kitchen? I'm gonna show you everything in this penthouse. You are not ready. So similarly to the 2-bedroom unit, this kitchen is not short of any cabinetry space. You have this lovely little pantry. You have your island with your granite countertop. You have tons of drawers for storage. Really beautiful. You have your under-mounted sink, your double sink. We love that. So absolutely beautiful kitchen, you guys. Nice pantry area, lots of counter space, which we love. So absolutely gorgeous. And this is the living area. So spacious, so open, so airy, all this natural light coming in. I just love how it just giving a luxe vibe, because it's very much giving a luxe vibe. Now just off the living area and the kitchen area, you have your first bedroom here, and then you have a balcony, and then you have a powder room for your guests, and also an in-unit laundry room. So really nice. Let's take a look at this first bedroom here in the main area. So spacious, really spacious. Do I have to say anything more? Really spacious bedroom. I love it. I absolutely love it. The tile all throughout the apartment was so well done. The tiling is stunning. You again have another walk-in closet and another ensuite bathroom. Really gorgeous. So that was the first of 3 balconies at this penthouse suite. So let's head on back inside to view this guest half bath. Just a pretty standard guest half bath, really convenient, really great for guests. And then just beside that you have your in-unit laundry, which is spacious enough to hold your washer, your dryer, and a single sink. Really nice, great, convenient. We absolutely love it. So we're going to head back out into that main living area now, and then we'll go upstairs. So we are on the landing area on the second floor in this penthouse suite, and as you can see, you have about 3 sections here. You have another balcony, you have another bedroom, and then you have the 3rd bedroom. So let's start with this bedroom here, which is my favorite bedroom of the entire unit. Now this is my favorite room. I just vibe with this room. I just love this room. I love how you're getting light from every angle. I think that's the YouTuber in me and the content creator. Yes, choose the room with the best lighting, and this is the one. I also just love the architectural design in this room. It's really stunning, really different. I just love the shape of it, how light is coming in from both balconies. This room also has a nice balcony access, and then it has the other balcony right there too. So I just love this room. This one is mine. All right. So here is the closet area, another walk-in closet, and it also has another ensuite bathroom in this bedroom area. Really nice, great flooring all throughout, great tiling. What I also really liked are these shaded or these tinted glass doors, sliding doors, so you're still going to have privacy with all that light coming through. You're still going to have your privacy, which is really important. Beautiful bathroom, nice glass enclosure, really great, just as all the other bathrooms, and you have your lovely shower niche right there. And yeah, a lovely little window to get some views while you're showering, again with that privacy tint. That's really important. So stunning bathroom. So let's head on out back into the room and let's look at the balcony. So as I said, this room also has a nice balcony access which is great. We love that. So out here, we'll just step on out to our balcony, and as you can see, you have stunning views of Kingston and St. Andrew all around. Nice 360 views, just chef's kiss. Fabulous, 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 fabulous. You're seeing the mountains, you're seeing the communities, you're seeing the hills, you're seeing everything. Just absolutely beautiful. You just pull out a chair, you just come out here some money, you just relax money, you kick up your foot. That's life. Really beautiful. Now we are back at that landing area to view the third and final bedroom in this penthouse suite. As you enter this suite, you can see that you have your closet area right there, and then it takes you into another lovely bedroom, which also has its own ensuite bathroom. So let's head on out now back to the landing area to view the third and final balcony in this penthouse suite, which is my favorite one. The stunning one. Is this my favorite? I don't even know, but absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning, 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 stunning. Again, more views from this balcony, but with this balcony you actually can see like the side yard area as well as all the way back to the pool area. So really, really nice. So there, nice little view of the pool and the side yard of the complex. Really nice, really great. And that wraps up the tour, you guys, of the penthouse unit. But let's head on downstairs to see some other cool features. So this property has 24-hour security, and even entering the stairwell, you guys, you have to put in a code as you just did to access this area. Great security feature. To access the side yard, again, it's another code going through this door. We absolutely love that. We love that. We love that. And then this door will take you outside to the courtyard area, side yard area, and then around to the pool. And I just love the paint chosen for this complex. I love the yellows. I love it with the peach or apricot type of tone. It gives a really nice island vibe. And then they threw in this lovely palm tree here. I'm just getting an island vibe. Tell me in the comments, do you like this paint? I love it. A lot of apartment complex, they're going up in like gray and this moody blue. But I like this. I really like this. So let's take a look now at your pool area. Really, really stunning. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So this is your lovely pool area that will serve all residents of the complex. Towards the side, you do have some water storage areas and just a little green space, a tiny little green space. All right, so if you have this apartment unit that's towards the back right here at this pool, Beautiful, beautiful. You're winning. You also have security cameras right here in the pool area. You have security cameras all around the complex, all around, all around, all around, which is really great. So back to the front of the complex, you guys, I wanted to show you that each resident would have 2 parking spaces. So each unit would get 2 parking spaces, and if you are owner of one of the penthouse suites, you would get 1 covered parking area, which you could see right there. You also, as I said before, you have 24-hour security, and then also you have just that garbage chute right there at the front. So that's it for today's video today at Lawrence Avenue. Again, you guys, if you're interested in viewing this property, you are going to reach out to Keisha Smith at 876-484-0076 at Cavendish International Realty. I'll have all the contact on the screen. You're going to email her at Keisha at CavendishRealtyJM.com. If you're a realtor and you're interested in working with me, you can email me, Britonny Haye, at britonnyhaye@yahoo.com, or you can send me a message on Instagram at Safe Haven. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, bye guys.